Hello students, this is Ms. Headley. Today we are going to talk about Module 3, Ratios and Rates. In Module 3 we have 3 key vocabulary terms. Go ahead and look on page 126 of your math workbook. Now that you're on page 126, let's talk about our key vocabulary terms. Now, our very first one is ratio. A ratio is a comparison or a relationship where for every A units, there is also B units. Now, a ratio can be written in 3 ways. It can be written A to B with a colon in the middle. It can be also written as A to B with the word to in the middle. And in some cases, it can be written as a fraction. A over B or A out of B is how that would be read. A rate is a comparison of 2 different units. So here is an example where you might pay $6 for 3 steaks. Now, if you wanted to figure out the price of 1 steak, you would have to divide these quantities. Since 3 is our item, that's what we will divide first. So I know that in order to get down to 1 steak, I must say 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Because I have divided one term by a number, I must divide the other one as well by the same number. So 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. So for 1 steak, it is $2. Now, anytime where we are looking at our second term and making it 1, that is what's known as a unit rate. When we specifically talk about money, that is what's known as a unit price. A unit rate can be expressed as per hour or per day. It can be expressed in a lot of different ways. For example, on the interstate, the speed limit is 75 miles per hour. And what that essentially means is that if you are able to keep the same speed for the entire duration of your trip, you will go 75 miles after 1 hour. It is also important to remember that when you are keeping a constant speed, that is a form of unit rate. Constant speed is a unit rate. The exact definition for unit price is going to be the price or cost per 1, and this can be the cost of 1 item, the price of paying per hour or per day, etc. As we continue Module 3, there will be other vocabulary words discussed, like tape diagram, part-to-whole ratio, part-to-part ratio, a term, and a double number line. But keep in mind that ratio, rate, and unit price are our key vocabulary terms.